Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be learning how to use Airtable to track progress on your personal self-development course. This is your full guide for 2025, so let's get right to it. First up, you'll need to sign up for an Airtable account if you don't already have one. Simply head over to airtable.com and follow the registration process. The reason we use Airtable is because it's versatile, user-friendly, and perfect for tracking progress on any type of project. Now that you're registered, it's time to create a new base. Click on the Start from Scratch option. This is your canvas, where you'll track all your course data. You can think of it like an interactive spreadsheet. Next up, let's customize your base. Rename the base to match your course, and then create a new table for each module. This helps us because it allows for a clear organization of the course content. You can also color code the tables for better visibility. Now let's create some fields. Fields are essentially the categories of information you'll be tracking. For a self-development course, these might include task, status, due date, and notes. You can fill in these fields as you progress through the course. This is important because it lets you visually track your progress and keep up with deadlines. Here's a bonus tip. You can switch between grid, calendar, and Kanban view depending on your preference. Let me explain why this matters. Different views can help you visualize your progress in different ways, making the tracking process more personalized and efficient. Now that we've done that, the last step is to keep your base updated. Regularly input your progress and use the status field to keep track of completed tasks. This is crucial as it offers a real-time snapshot of your progress and helps you stay motivated. And that's it. You've now set up your Airtable base for tracking your personal self-development course. Remember, the key to effective tracking is consistency, so make sure to keep your base updated. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more practical guides.